Today we're going to bring in another LED desk lamp. Now this has a dimming area and it's easy for the eyes, and so we're going to take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. Just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what you get. Now this one's a little larger, of course, if you guys can see it. This frame is metal. This is aluminum base. It's really sturdy. If you guys can see, it looks like a spaceship, some sort of object. But look at it; it transforms into an actual LED light. So the face in the bottom, it's kind of like a rubbery area, so you can put it on your desk and it won't scratch it. Now you do plug it in the back, and there is a USB extra connection here, so you could charge your phone in here. So we do have a phone here, and we are able to connect the actual phone directly to the back of it. You guys can see, and it starts charging your phone. So I like that. That's a plus on it. So let's go ahead and transform this unit into an actual LED light. And if you guys can see, let's see if we can fit it in here too. So we're gonna fit this light in here. If you guys can see it, it takes a lot of space, of course, but I just want to talk about a little bit about the functions if you guys can see. So let's go ahead and go into the functions, and I'm going to bring it a little closer to the actual lamp, and it's going to turn on. So see the power button here where it's actually lighting up. It's a little red light. We turn it on and it goes into the on mode. And right here is the actual dimmer. You just touch it. It's a touch base, and it pretty much dims everything out. Now here's the actual modes. You change the different colors, different tones of colors. So it has 3 modes, all right? And this is pretty much my favorite one. If you guys can see it, I'm gonna dim it down so you guys can see the lamp. I'll bring the lamp in here. Look at the LED lights base. Dim it up, dim it down, and then we're gonna go into the modes, different kinds of modes. And that's pretty much it. But this is really neat. I like this because it has one direction, up and down, but you can't swivel too much unless you move this to left and right. But look at that. It is beautiful to look at. So let's go ahead and set it up and see how well it looks at night. So we're gonna open it up. All right, we're gonna take a look at the actual LED lights from far away. And this is pretty much how it's gonna set up on a desk, all right? And it takes not that majority of a space, if you guys notice. I'm putting my hand in there because I just touched it, but then I hit that little red button. You see that button that's red? You hit that little red button, it turns on. I'm gonna put the dimmer higher. You guys can see it. I'm gonna bring it lower so you guys can see the lowest, highest. And then we change the mode. Let's bring it all the way to the highest, and then we're gonna change the mode. This is kind of like a yellow mode, no, another yellow mode, and this is back to 1. So we're gonna go to the number 1. This is pretty much my favorite one right now. And like I said, this is flexible. This is movable. It's easy to move up and down. You can even stand it up high if you want and point it out to you. Simple to do that. So I like this part. From a bird's eye view, it's perfect. You can put anything in the front of it or have it over your desk or over your laptop. It's perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.